Hey, John Braun with Hitman Advertising here. If you want your cleaning business to stay booked all throughout the winter while your competitors are slowing down, then listen up. Every year I see cleaners hit December and their phones go quiet. But the smart cleaners are running systems in their business for marketing that keep the jobs rolling in all season long. So that's why I put together the Cleaner's Lead Machine bundle that you'll see right below this video. For a limited time, it gives you access to my ad coaching club, plus every major system that I've created recently to help you keep your schedule full. So let's look at what you're going to get. First, you're going to get access to my ad coaching club. Within the ad coaching club, you have access to hundreds of different postcard templates, EDDM neighborhood templates, brochures, text blast templates, email newsletter templates, software to send text messages, emails, all sorts of other funnels that you can derive from that software. Plus, we do monthly group coaching calls as well. I give personal ad feedback. If you have a question about marketing, email me and I'll get back to you and make sure that you're going in the right direction. And of course, we also have special templates that can help you stay busy all throughout the winter. In addition, you also are going to get a 30-minute one-on-one strategy call with me personally, where we'll get on the phone and hash out a system for marketing your company alone. Just you and I talking about your problems with marketing, your issues, and what you're wanting to do with your marketing. That is totally included. As well, you get access to my neighborhood Dominator Toolkit that I've recently put out that shows you how to market to the best high-end neighborhoods with actually templates that you can use. The commercial marketing course, which helps you land all of the best high-end commercial clients that can keep your crew running throughout the winter, throughout the year, including letters and email sequences and postcards and everything that you need to do that. As well, the Google Ad Conversion Workshop. If you want to do Google Ads yourself, there's a quick workshop that can show you how to do that. As well as a holiday and winter marketing quick wins package, where you get postcards, texts, emails, newsletters, all to be able to help you keep booked throughout the holidays and throughout the winter. So all of this is part of my ad coaching club. Just click this link. Take the order button, fill out the form there. You will have access to my coaching club here with just hundreds of different postcard templates, brochures, all of the things that we just talked about. You'll have many that are coming for January and for New Year here as well, for both new clients and past clients that you've already done business with. All of that plus free graphic design once per month. We'll design anything for you that's in the coaching club, customize that to your company, and even offer you printing and even mailing service if you'd like to have them mailed for you. So as you can see, it's a bundle to be able to help you get off the ground and do it with some hand-holding and some coaching. Sure, you could possibly, and there are cleaners that do all of this on their own, but why do it on your own when you can have the help of somebody who's done it and helped hundreds of other cleaners all throughout USA, Canada, UK, and Australia, growing their cleaning companies. So click the link below this video. This is a very limited time offer. It's going to be coming down soon. You should see the counter there on the page. Click the link below. Get signed up for the coaching club. Get all of these free bonuses coming in. We'll see you inside the club.